Hey funnel hackers, Keith Bell here from Funnellosophy.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you some of the design platforms and tools that I use to design my funnels. See you on the inside. Hey everybody, welcome back. I am so excited you're here today because I'm going to share some of the software tools and applications and apps that I use to design my funnels in ClickFunnels. A little bit about me. I am a freelance designer on ClickFunnels. My specialty is in designing funnels for other people. Other people will give me the specifications of their funnel, and then I build it out for them. My clients are all over the world. I've got clients in Hong Kong, Bangkok, England, all throughout the United States, Canada, Australia. So I've designed a lot of funnels. So my hope today is that you will get a lot out of this, and this will help you to kind of navigate yourself through some of the different design platforms that are out there that can help you to build your funnels. Some are paid funnels, or I should say some are paid software, some are free. Just on a clear transparency note, some of these links that I'm going to put in the description below, I do get a small affiliate commission, but that helps me to continue to build this channel. So if you choose to use them, that's fine. If not, no big deal, but I provide them more for your convenience. All right, so one of the things I want to do before I go over to my computer and start showing you how to use some of these templates, if you like the content you're seeing here, if you enjoy learning about ClickFunnels and how to build your own funnels, and you like this channel, you like Funnellosophy, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down at the bottom of the screen there. Also, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get all the latest updates, all the newest videos that I have come out. I try to post a video every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. I've also got a 4-part series coming up on how to build your first funnel step by step, and it's going to be from the beginning, choosing your niche all the way through implementation of your funnel. So if you want to get started, make sure you check out some of the links in the description below. I've got a free course in there on how to use the ClickFunnels platform. I also have got a great book in there on how to the essentials to building your first funnel. So without further ado, let's go inside my computer. Okay, here we are inside my computer, and I'm going to go through and show you first some of the actual design tools that you have right inside your ClickFunnels platform. One of the things I'm going to be doing is putting together I talked about it before, that 4-part series on how to build a funnel. We're going to build a simple lead funnel for a fictitious lawn care, Larry's Lawn Service, that I've made up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to hit edit. And the first thing I'm going to do is just show you how you can change images inside of ClickFunnels. All right, so I'm going to change this background image behind the stock photo here of the gentleman in the suit. So I'm going to go up here to the top right and go to my settings, little cogwheel, and where it says background image here, BG image, I'm going to click on this here. There's a couple different things that you can do. You can go and pick from a simple gradient or textured patterned background that you can use. You've got some stock images in here, badges, arrows, boxes, check marks, underlines, faces, miscellaneous. Okay, and you can also put a map inside your site if you want to, but one of my favorite things to use here is the search bar. ClickFunnels, you will have access to Pixabay, Icon Finder, and Unsplash.com. So if I go into Pixabay and let's look up lawn care, and we see all different types of images here for lawn care. You can change the style that you want from photo, illustration. Just show all the illustrations here. I think I like this illustration right here. I'm going to grab that and save that for later, but I'm going to use this background image here of a lawn for my background behind our stock image here, and this will come into play a little bit later. Okay, let's go to, I'm going to go step out of ClickFunnels for a second here and go to, they're not really per se a design platform, but more of a platform for freelance services that you can use. I am a Fiverr level 1 designer. I design funnels for other people, so I use some of these other tools as well when I'm designing funnels. Logo design, brand style guides, illustrations, portraits, cartoons, storyboards. You got digital marketing, writing, translation, video animation, music, audio. These are there's a wide variety of different subjects here you can look at. I would encourage you to take a look at Fiverr if you have things that you want to use in your funnel but you're not comfortable necessarily doing. I'm going to skip over Canva for a second. I'm going to go into Stock Nation. Stock Nation is a service that you can sign up for where you can get stock video footage. All right, so let's put lawn care in here. See what comes up. Sometimes they have stuff, sometimes they don't. Nothing really good there. So, but let's say I wanted to use this video in my in a video or sales video. I can download it and use it. So that's Stock Nation. Another one here is Free Vector Stock. You can explore this on your own, but there's thousands upon thousands of stock images here. I'm going to put lawn care in here and see if there's anything that grabs my fancy. Lawn care vectors. Oh, we got some great stuff here. Some of this stuff I may actually come back and look at, but all different types of images, and these can all be edited in Adobe Illustrator. Now I'm going to go back to Canva. Okay, open up Canva, go to home here. Canva is probably one of the best tools that I've seen for designing a wide variety of graphics and elements that you can use. You can do, I'm just going to go through and show you all my designs. Here's my Funnellosophy design logo. You can create logos in here. You can create, this is my stock Facebook cover video. See if I can open this up. We'll play it here for you. So you can create live video backgrounds. There are a ton of templates in here. Let me open this up. You've got Facebook posts, and the nice thing about Canva is it will have all the size specifications for all these different types of medium that you want to use. Another thing that you can do is you can also, if you click on the blue button here to create a design, see where it says custom dimensions, you can put in your custom dimensions, which brings me to another tool. So with Canva, take a look, explore it, see what it's all about. I am signed up for a paid membership, but there is a free subscription that you can get. I'll include a link in the description below. A couple tools I want to cover that are apps on my toolbar. I don't know if you can see this one right here, but this is from Collegeville, and it's a little eyedropper. If I click on that, if I put that eyedropper, you'll see wherever I put the eyedropper, if I can get it to stop moving. Let's go back here to this template here. So I click on my eyedropper, and let's say I want to know what color gold that is. You see the gold shows up there in the top. It's got the HTML code right here, the size, and it's got the RGB code. I'm not familiar with what that is. All I know is that this tool works. It's great. So Collegeville. Another one that I use a lot is Page Ruler Redux. All right. So let's say I want to know how big this guy's picture should be to fit in my Let's see if I can get this to move down a little bit here. Let's close that. I want to know how big this picture's got to be that I have to create, or how much area this covers. So you see that I've got a plus sign there. I'm on the, I've got the ruler activated. It's highlighted. If I just click here, drag down, and what's going to happen is you'll see it open up on the bottom here. It tells me the width and the height, the left and right padding, the top padding. And what you can do is when you go back to Canva and you're using that tool where you can create your own design, you can actually put that width and height right in here. So a couple great tools I wanted to show you. Hopefully that's helpful. Keep a watch out for my next video, which is going to be part 1 of a 4-part series on how to build your first funnel. It's going to be a real simple lead magnet funnel, but we're going to go through it step by step. Take care, keep funnel hacking, and we'll see you in the next video.